In this session, I'll demonstrate how to send announcements to students in the course. So from time to time, it is important that you communicate with the students whether the class is canceled or whether it is an online class and you want to remind them that the class is starting, or new weekly announcements in the class. So in this case, to send the announcement, you'll click here under Announcements at the very top of your course, and then you'll simply click on Add a New Topic, and then type the subject of your email, and then type the message for your students here. You can change to format this and such, how you want it. Notice that you can use any of those tools on the top here as well. And then if you go under Advanced area here, you could simply add attachments and such if necessary as well. And then finally, you simply press Post to forum. At this point, the system will keep track of this message and you can preview it, and students also preview it or view it from the course itself. And then within 30 minutes time, or any time between now and 30 minutes, the system will also send an email out to all the students in the class. So there is no need for you to email them via Outlook or webmail or through the participants area here and such, or however else you have been doing it. It's best to send those announcements directly from the course module here, from the announcements module in the course. In this case, the system again keeps track of what was sent out. The students, in case they missed anything, they can always go back to the announcements area in the course. Now, typically also, if this panel it's not hidden on the right, and the students have not hidden that panel on the right, the latest news will also, the latest announcements will be showing up here on the right-hand side as well on this block. And you can add here a new topic, a new announcement directly from that block, or you can preview what you had sent earlier.